particle yo and ne. In this lesson, you'll learn the particles yo and ne and their combination. They are essential for natural conversation. For example, 明日は雨ですよ. Tomorrow is rainy. And 今日は暑いですね. Today is hot, isn't it? And 会議は明日ですよね. Conference is tomorrow, right? Now, let's start. First, the particle yo. The particle yo is used when the speaker wants to tell the listener new information or new idea. It has nuance of "let me tell you." Let's see it in a sentence. 明日は雨ですよ. Yo shows that the speaker wants to share weather report. The speaker expects that the listener doesn't know this information. Therefore, the sentence means tomorrow is rainy. Next, we study the particle ne. The particle ne is used when the speaker wants to share information or seek agreement with the listener. It's like adding "isn't it?" Let's see it in a sentence. 今日は暑いですね. In this sentence, the speaker wants to share the feeling. The speaker expects that the listener will agree with the speaker. So, the sentence means today is hot, isn't it? Now, let's learn about the combination of yo and ne. Yone is used when the speaker wants to confirm something with the listener while also seeking agreement. It's like saying, right? Both ne and yone are very similar, and in some cases they are interchangeable. But there are subtle differences. Ne tends to be used for shared feeling. On the other hand, yone tends to be used for confirmation. Then, let's see it in a sentence. 会議は明日ですよね. The speaker thinks the conference is tomorrow, but the speaker wants to confirm it. So, the speaker puts yone at the end. Therefore, the sentence means conference is tomorrow, right? Now, let's practice with some example sentences. それは豚肉ですよ. That is pork. それは豚肉ですよ. 今日は寒いですね. Today is cold, isn't it? 今日は寒いですね. 試験はあさってですよね. The exam is the day after tomorrow, right? 試験はあさってですよね. The next lesson is the particles to and ka. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.